Welcome to Grow. Grow's aim is to bring joy to building websites by being modern, social, rapid, collaborative, and fun. Each user in Grow gets their own profile page. Here's mine. For my profile page, I can browse all the websites I'm currently working on in the system. Let's create a project. Grow comes with a few themes built in, so I'll give my project a nickname and then I'll choose this theme. Now we're in my project's admin center. From here, I can browse all of the content in my site. This site has posts and pages, much like a standard blog would have. Let's make a quick change to a post now. As I make the changes to the content, I can see a live preview on the right side. The content is all written in Markdown, which makes it really easy to format. I don't have to know any HTML. I can press the preview button to see a live preview of my site at any time. Only I and other collaborators on the project can access this preview. The public cannot see it until I'm ready to publish the site. I'll click around to show you the changes that I just made to this particular post. Now I'll show you how easy it is to add a new page. All I have to do is write the content and save it. I'll refresh the site, and there it is. You can see Contact Us at the top. To export my files out of Grow, I can use the Downloads tab. I can either create a project snapshot or build my site. Both actions that I've just clicked started a background task. When the work is complete, Grow will send me an email with a link to download the files. You can see the Gmail notification in the top right. The files are all zipped up, and I can download them to my computer. Advanced users can use the Under the Hood section, which is the tab-based file editor in the browser. Unlike alternatives such as WordPress or Tumblr, Grow actually gives you full control over the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of your site. You can even see all the raw content documents and write the markdown here if you'd prefer. The URLs tab shows me all the different URLs that my project builds. I can preview each one. Settings contains basic project settings. From here, I can add collaborators to my project, which will give other people access to work on it with me. I can add a message in my addition, and the collaborator will be notified via email that I've added them. Here, I'm asking for help with some of my CSS. Grow's Explore page shows me all the different projects and people that are currently using the system. I'll now visit the person that I just shared my project with. My project now appears in her Collaborating tab. Finally, Grow lets me publish my site to the world from the Launches tab. Here I can deploy my site directly to Google Cloud Storage. When I press Deploy here, I'll be presented with a diff that shows what will happen when I deploy my site. This diff shows that 4 files will be added, 3 changed, and 9 deleted. When I press the Launch Now button, Grow connects to GCS and publishes my site. It's all done. Now I can just go to the URL test.growapp.org, and here my site is. It's really fast because it's hosted by GCS. I'll now show you what it's like to add another page and then publish it. I'll just add this new page called Another New Page, write a little piece of content, and save it. I'll go back to Launches, press Deploy, deploy here, and then once the deployment is ready, I'll press Launch Now. Notice that because I only added one new page, only one new file shows. It's done, so now I'll go to my site and refresh it, and there it is. Last thing, in addition to being a web application, Grow is also an open source project with a local SDK for advanced developers. I've put together an open source project website where you can go to learn more about the project, download the code, and contribute. Just go to growapp.org to learn more. Thanks for listening.